Black Wrench here. Thought I'd give everybody an update on the bar. Never posted this to YouTube before, only Instagram. So now it's YouTube's chance. So this bar is modeled or inspired by Duff's in Brooklyn. Big Typo Negative fans, so that's why we're Duff's fans. A couple of things here of interest. We've got Peter Steele's last credit card bill. We've got some actual posters that were once in Duff's, thanks to Jimmy Duff. Signed postcard from Peter, along with from one of the memorial tributes to Peter at the bar. We've got photos from Johnny and Kenny, Peter's sister Kathy, along with some of the wedding pictures from me and my wife. She also hand painted this hammer gear on the wall. Got a go-go cage, something new we've added. Mug shots. So now when you come in, you put in your crime and your criminal name, and you too can have a mug shot. Into the bathroom. Like to play a game, how many people can you fit in the bathroom? That's always fun. We've got graffiti on all the walls. We've got a sticker wall. We've got a condom machine. Yes, it's loaded, and yes, they are 75 cents. I cannot guarantee the quality. We've got New York City Health Department warning there, just like they have at Duff's, and we're actually in Duff's blue mode right now. Signed Kerry King, Ohio State shirt, thanks to Jimmy. We have a very official looking Wheel of Misfortune, along with a very official looking Wheel of Misfortune menu. Very similar but different. We've got a coffin head. That's what salesmen that sold coffins used to display their wares, thanks to Jimmy. I hand built this electric chair, complete with sound effects. Church pew, liquid death, neon, thanks to my lovely wife. This is the bar. We've just got all kinds of contra tickets and paraphernalia and tchotchkes that we've collected throughout our life. This is something new. I had custom made, the Oneg neon, along with some bullhorns that I found at a craft store. We've always got a random movie playing, YouTube, and Betty Page. We've also got these guys playing live. Don't know who they might be. The other side of the bar, we've got any liquor that you could possibly imagine, along with other kinds of random crap that we've collected throughout our life. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.